Hey guys, what's up? We're out here at the Clean Desert Cleanup, November 2021. We're here with Adam, founder of Clean Desert, and he's the reason why we're here, guys. He's the reason why, you know, the desert community doesn't look like a bunch of jerks. We're actually out here trying to do a good thing, cleaning up. If you guys see, look at all these people here. We just missed the lunch line that was a Disneyland line right now, but everybody's hanging out here. We got all the sponsors over here, all the volunteers. Just super grateful, bro. Thank you so much for everything. Anything new for this year or anything going on this year with this event?
Yeah, you know, we're trying to make it bigger and better every year, taking feedback from everyone. We're working on another event for Ocotillo Wells in February or March of 2022.
Yes.
Trying to come out just with more events in different locations. So if there's something that you guys want to see, let us know. But it's all about giving back to you guys because you guys are the ones doing the hard work.
Heck yeah, man. Very cool. So who are some sponsors you guys would like to mention? I know Camberg's really come through, so thank you, Jerry, and all the guys over there for always supporting this event.
Yeah, Camberg's doing a housing for us. They're also donating lunch, so all the food's being paid for by Camberg.
Oh, yeah.
Tread Lightly donated 600 event shirts for everyone that came out today. And then, you know, we have a ton of great people, PCI, Sunray, Audiotistics, Deluxe Window Tent, obviously Terra Crew's huge for us, but you know, all these guys are paying for dumpsters, bringing them out, and then, you know, we're gonna have a raffle in a little bit. It's gonna be 2 hours long.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be crazy.
Yeah, the raffles are awesome, man. Everybody's super stoked for it. But it's excellent, you guys. This is such a great event to bring the community together.
And not to mention the kids, right? So
oh, yeah.
We have 100 grab bags for kids. This year, that is one of the new things. Is
well, Black Widow, right?
Black Widow and Falcon Tires both sponsored it, and so we're trying to give back to all the kids because that's where it all starts.
Yeah.
Get the kids stoked, everyone's stoked.
Heck yeah, guys. So this is such a great event, guys. This was really big a few years ago, and it's really awesome to see Adam bringing this back and seeing all these people just show up as soon as he started posting. It really brought together the off-road community in a really great way. So we're always going to be here for Clean Desert and Adam and the boys over here. We'll showcase some of the trash cans and all the freaking giant, the big bins, right? The big bins that just get filled up, and people have just been nonstop coming through all day, grabbing furniture, like that's in the desert, freaking washing machines, like random stuff. Barbed wire, dude, tons of barbed wire, which is just horrendous for anybody riding. So if you guys are a part, if you guys would ever want to be a part of this, we need you guys. You guys are important to this event. Adam and his team facilitate it, but we need the volunteers, and you guys have been able to fill up these things in a few hours, right?
So we're gonna fill up today probably 12 dumpsters under 4 hours.
Insane.
And I mean, that's the biggest cleanup you're gonna see in California and the deserts out here anywhere.
Boom. That's what's up, man. So, you know, you guys, this is super important. As you guys see, there's so much freaking trash out here, and this does make a dent, but there's still so much more to do. So if you guys want to check out Adam's stuff and all the other stuff that Clean Desert's working on, again, Ocotillo in February, we're going to be helping them out with that one. And then also they do a really good one in August where they clean up a bunch of the ammo stuff off Hodge Road. That's a really big one. So if you guys are interested in volunteering, even becoming a sponsor or helping out in any big way, or you guys have connections with any type of industry that might be a contributing factor to help these guys get this job done, please reach out to Adam and Clean Desert. The site's right here. We'll put a drop down right here in the description. But yeah, man, we're gonna go check out the rest of the event.
I love it. Can't wait for the raffle and then get a little rowdy afterwards, right?
Definitely gonna get rowdy, guys. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? So the end of the day is coming, and what that means is we're gonna go to the Wasp jump and actually hit it another direction. We're gonna hit it east, which we've done in a couple other videos. We figured it's better because everybody's hitting it east. The sun sets in the west, obviously. We're headed there right now. Hopefully there's some people that are down to hit it and it's not too crazy and it's safe and we have a good time. Tail whip moto style.